12 health benefits of castor oil. First, let's introduce castor oil. For centuries, people have relied on castor oil, which comes from the seeds of the castor plant, for its healing abilities. It's loaded with nutrients and healthy fats that offer a ton of health perks. With its mix of vitamin E, minerals, and omega-6 fatty acids, it's like a super boost for your overall health. Whether you want better skin, relief from pain, or stronger hair, castor oil has got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into the top 3 ways to use castor oil to get the most out of its benefits. Stick around until the end to discover the best methods for making this natural remedy work wonders for you. 1. Arthritis. Arthritis, a condition where joints become inflamed, causing pain and stiffness, can be really tough to deal with. But castor oil might help. It has something called ricinoleic acid, which is great at fighting inflammation. Studies have shown that it can help reduce swelling and pain in arthritis. When you put castor oil on your sore joints, it goes deep into the tissues, easing the discomfort. It also boosts circulation around the joints, which means more nutrients and oxygen get to those areas, making them feel better and more flexible. Using castor oil regularly alongside other treatments can be a natural way to ease arthritis symptoms and improve your overall well-being. 2. Antibacterial properties. The second benefit of castor oil is its ability to fight bacteria. Castor oil has strong antibacterial properties, which means it's really good at stopping bacteria from growing. This makes it super useful for taking care of wounds and preventing infections. When you put castor oil on cuts or scrapes, it creates a barrier that stops bacteria from getting in, reducing the chances of infection. Plus, it helps clean the wound and makes it heal faster. Studies show that castor oil can even kill certain types of bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. Using castor oil as part of your first aid routine can help your body heal better and faster by keeping bacteria at bay. 3. Relieve constipation. The third benefit of castor oil is its ability to help with constipation. A healthy digestive system relies on a well-functioning colon, and castor oil can assist by acting as a gentle yet effective laxative. Castor oil contains a lot of something called ricinoleic acid, which stimulates the intestines to contract, helping to move things along and relieve constipation. Unlike some harsh chemical laxatives that can cause problems like dependency and irritation, castor oil works naturally with your body's own processes. It softens stool and encourages regular bowel movements without messing up the balance of good bacteria in your gut. By helping you go to the bathroom regularly, castor oil helps your body get rid of waste and toxins, keeping your digestive system healthy and preventing discomfort from constipation. 4. Hair and skin care. The fourth benefit of castor oil is its ability to take care of both your hair and skin. It's like a magic potion for beauty. When you put castor oil on your scalp, it goes deep down and feeds your hair follicles, helping your hair grow strong and healthy. It also keeps your scalp moisturized, stopping it from getting dry and flaky. Using castor oil regularly can make your hair look shinier, feel stronger, and be easier to manage. Not just for hair, castor oil is great for your skin too. It's a natural moisturizer that hydrates dry, rough skin and makes it feel soft and smooth. Plus, it creates a shield that traps moisture in, keeping your skin looking fresh and supple. And if your skin is irritated or you have issues like acne or dermatitis, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help calm things down and make your skin feel better. Whether you use it on your hair or skin, castor oil is a gentle but powerful remedy that can make you look and feel beautiful. 5. Relieving menstrual cramps. The fifth benefit of castor oil is its ability to help with menstrual cramps. For people dealing with the discomfort of cramps during their period, castor oil can be a lifesaver. When you massage castor oil onto your abdomen, it sinks into your skin and muscles, calming down the contractions in your uterus and easing the pain. Plus, it can decrease inflammation in your pelvic area, making those cramps feel less intense. Castor oil also improves blood flow and circulation, which can further ease cramps by helping your muscles relax and reducing tension. So, if you're struggling with menstrual cramps, giving castor oil a try might just bring you some much-needed relief. 6. Labor induction. The sixth benefit of castor oil is its historical use in certain cultures and traditional practices to help induce labor in pregnant individuals who are close to their due date. The way it works is by encouraging contractions in the uterus. When you swallow castor oil, it prompts the release of prostaglandins, which are like hormones that can help bring on contractions. This can be helpful for individuals who are past their due date or looking for a natural way to start labor. However, it's important to be cautious. While some research suggests it might be helpful, it's crucial to talk to a healthcare professional before trying castor oil for labor induction. They can give you guidance and make sure it's safe for you and your baby. 7. Strengthen your immune system. The seventh benefit of castor oil is its ability to potentially strengthen your immune system. Castor oil has properties that can fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, which is important for keeping you healthy. When you use castor oil on your skin or include it in massages, it might help activate your lymphatic system. This system is really important because it moves a fluid called lymph around your body, and lymph carries immune cells that fight off infections. So, by stimulating this system, castor oil could help support your overall immune function. Plus, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can also play a part in boosting your immune system. By reducing inflammation in your body, it creates a healthier environment where your immune system can work more effectively. 8. Reduce swelling and inflammation. The eighth benefit of castor oil is its ability to effectively decrease swelling and inflammation thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. When you put castor oil on your skin, it goes deep into your tissues and works to stop the production of compounds that cause inflammation. This helps calm down irritated tissues and reduces swelling. Additionally, castor oil improves circulation, which means it helps your body get rid of extra fluids and toxins from the swollen area. This further contributes to reducing inflammation. Castor oil's gentle yet powerful effects make it a great natural remedy for conditions where inflammation is a problem, like arthritis, sprains, and strains. Using castor oil regularly can help ease discomfort and speed up the healing process for inflamed tissues. 9. Heal wounds. Benefit number 9 of castor oil is its ability to help wounds and scrapes heal faster. This happens because castor oil has properties that fight off germs and reduce inflammation. When you put castor oil on a wound, it creates a protective layer that keeps out harmful bacteria, lowering the chance of an infection. Plus, it helps calm down any swelling and encourages new tissue to grow, which speeds up healing. Castor oil also keeps the wound area moist, which prevents it from drying out and helps new skin cells form. Its fatty acids are good for repairing damaged skin and making scars less noticeable. Whether it's a small cut, scrape, or burn, castor oil is a natural and effective way to help your body heal and avoid any complications. 10. Boost circulation. Benefit number 10 of castor oil is its ability to improve blood flow throughout your body. When you rub castor oil into your skin, it does a couple of things. First, it wakes up your lymphatic system, which helps move a fluid called lymph around your body. It also makes your blood vessels wider, so blood can flow more freely. With better circulation, your cells get more oxygen and nutrients, and waste products get carried away more efficiently. This is like giving your cells a nice refresh. Plus, massaging with castor oil can help prevent blood from gathering in certain areas, which reduces swelling and keeps your heart and blood vessels healthy overall. 11. Treating acne. Benefit number 11 of castor oil is its effectiveness in treating acne. When you put castor oil on your skin, it fights off bacteria that can cause acne and reduces the redness and swelling that comes with breakouts. Plus, castor oil helps balance how much oil your skin makes, so you're less likely to get clogged pores that lead to acne. To use it, gently rub a bit of castor oil onto your clean, dry skin, especially on areas where you often get acne. You can leave it on for a few hours or even overnight, then rinse it off with warm water. Using castor oil regularly as part of your skincare routine can help you have fewer and less severe acne breakouts, leaving your skin looking clearer and healthier. 12. Deep Facial Cleanser. Benefit number 12 of castor oil is its effectiveness as a deep facial cleanser. When you put castor oil on your skin, it acts like a magnet for dirt, makeup, and extra oil, pulling them out of your pores. This makes it easy to wash them all away and leave your skin feeling really clean. Plus, castor oil doesn't just clean your skin, it also gives it a boost of hydration and nutrients, making it soft and refreshed. To use castor oil as a deep facial cleanser, start by dampening your face with warm water to open up your pores. Then, gently massage a small amount of castor oil onto your skin using small circular motions. Concentrate on areas where your pores tend to get clogged, like your nose and chin. After a few minutes of massaging, rinse your face well with warm water and pat it dry. For the best results, follow up with a gentle facial cleanser to remove any leftover oil. Now that we've explored the 12 ways castor oil can benefit us, let's delve into how we can maximize its advantages. There are 3 primary methods we can use, each offering unique benefits. The first method involves taking castor oil orally. When choosing castor oil for oral consumption, it's crucial to opt for a high-quality, food-grade product to ensure safety and effectiveness. To make it easier to swallow, mix a small amount, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons, with warm water. Castor oil has a distinct taste and texture, so blending it with a flavored drink or juice can help mask its flavor. For optimal results, it's best to take castor oil on an empty stomach in the morning. This allows the oil to be absorbed more efficiently by the body. When ingested orally, castor oil acts as a natural laxative, aiding in bowel movements and relieving constipation. Additionally, it may support digestion and detoxification, offering further health benefits beyond just relieving constipation. Let's explore the second method, which involves combining castor oil with other carrier oils to boost its benefits and adaptability. One excellent choice for this is coconut oil, which is renowned for its moisturizing and antibacterial qualities. To create this blend, simply mix equal parts of castor oil and coconut oil in a clean container and thoroughly combine them. This resulting mixture can be utilized for various purposes, including skincare, hair care, and massage. For skincare, apply the blend to your face or body to hydrate dry skin, address acne issues, and promote overall skin wellness. When it comes to hair care, massage the blend into your scalp and hair to nourish hair follicles, fortify hair strands, and encourage healthy hair growth. Moreover, the combination is ideal for massage therapy as it can help alleviate muscle tension, diminish inflammation, and induce relaxation. This blend is particularly advantageous for individuals with dry or acne-prone skin, as well as those seeking natural solutions for hair and scalp health. Regular use of the castor oil and coconut oil mixture can lead to improvements in skin and hair condition, offering hydration and nourishment while bolstering overall health and well-being. Let's explore the third method, which involves using castor oil through massage. This approach is particularly effective for targeting specific areas of concern, whether it's for skincare, acne treatment, or pain relief. To perform a castor oil massage, start by applying a small amount of oil to the area you want to address, such as your face for skincare, areas prone to acne, or areas experiencing pain or inflammation. Then, use gentle circular motions to massage the oil into your skin, making sure to distribute it evenly. For facial massage, pay extra attention to areas with acne or dryness, gently massaging the oil into your skin to help clear out pores and hydrate your skin deeply. When targeting pain relief, use slightly deeper massage strokes on the affected area to help reduce inflammation and promote relaxation. The timing of your castor oil massage can vary depending on your preferences and needs. For skincare purposes, consider doing the massage before bedtime, allowing the oil to work its magic overnight and deeply penetrate your skin for maximum benefits. If you're using it for pain relief, You can massage the affected area as needed throughout the day or before bedtime to help ease discomfort and encourage relaxation. Regular castor oil massages can lead to improved skin health, fewer acne breakouts, and relief from pain and inflammation, making it a versatile and beneficial addition to your self-care routine. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more educational videos on natural remedies and well-being. Be sure to stay connected for our upcoming content, and always remember, your health is something you have control over. Take care.